Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to insert multiple pictures on one page in Word. To insert multiple pictures on one page, you can do the following. Select all the pictures by holding down the Control key and clicking on each picture. Then just drag and drop the pictures to your Word document. Select the image you want to resize. Use the sizing handles to stretch, shrink, or change the size of the image. Right-click the image, go to Wrap Text. Select in front of text from the menu. Picture is now freely movable. Drag and drop it anywhere you want in your document. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.